One of the common questions on the USACE workspace is how we cannot automatically show all of these different strip grade intervals along our sheets when we're cutting profile sheets or plan and profile sheets. For example, in this case, I have a 1 inch is 20 feet horizontal scale, and so I only want to show the existing and proposed strip grades for that particular scale size. To do this, the easiest way to not have to go turn all of those off on a sheet per sheet basis is to go back to your geometry file where you designed your geometry and it copied in your annotation groups when you set your feature definition. In your geometry file, you want to open up Explorer, and under the Open Road Standards category, navigate down under your active file to the annotation groups and expand Profile and Linear. And you should have an entry there entitled Profile Annotation. Right-click on that and select Manage. And in the left column, you will see all of the listed proposed and existing strip grade entries. You will select these one at a time and select the delete or remove icon. So in my case, I want to keep the 20 scale, and I'm going to remove the remaining entries. You cannot multi-select in this dialog. So you have to do them one at a time, but this will make the correction for all of your sheets. And then we'll do the same thing for the existing. With that completed, you can close the Manage Annotation dialog. You can go back to where your corridor design is. In my case, I have my sheets in my corridor file. You would typically have your sheets in a separate location. And I wouldn't recommend doing this before you cut your sheets. Then you'll just never deal with those. But just to show you now, if we go back to our drawing model, it still shows it because that's been annotated, but you see how it corrected itself, right? Where now it's only on the 20 scale. So just by going in and modifying that geometry file, it automatically corrects the drawing model. And so now if I go to my sheet, you will see that that now is corrected as well. And so this is available in the USACE 4.0 workspace and beyond, and will simplify this sheet seed creation and not having to turn off all of those other levels.